Hello everyone. Today we are solving another example on Turing machine. The question is design the Turing machine for the given language a raised to n, b raised to n and c raised to n for n greater than equals to 1. In the previous video we have seen about the language of a raised to n and b raised to n, and we have seen that for a we are giving x and for b we are using y. Since here it is C, so new we will use here Z, and rest the remains same. Only there will be a difference in the transition diagram to keep the track of Z also, as well as we have to bypass the different X and Y's also. Okay, so same is a step 1 is of the theory and the mathematical model of step 2 is the logic, and in step 2 we have to write the things also, like how many this q input alphabet is abc, then our tape alphabet, a b, capital B as a tape symbol, blank symbol, x y and z. Okay, and rest all you have to write like q0 starting state q0 and final state qf is a final state, means f equals to qf is a final state. Okay, and our capital B is capital B, means we are keeping the tape symbol blank B as a capital B only. Okay, now step 3 we have to draw the transition diagram. Okay, now see, I am taking an example. I am considering for n equals to 3, a b b b c c c, capital B and capital B. Okay, now see, my head will be pointing here. I will make this as x. I will move forward. I will first B I will make it as y. Again I will move right, and first C I will make it as z. Again I will move left till I get x. If I get x, what I will say, now go to A again, make it as x, and go to B again, make it as y, and go to C again, make it as z. Again I will come back, I will say make it as x, go to right, make it as y, again right, make it as z, and again it will come and it will see a x, so it will go to this. Now head is pointing here. After when it will come, it is saying that after x there is y, means there is no a remaining. It will say since there is no a remaining, then there should be no b also, not c also, means there will be consecutive y's and consecutive z's. So what it will do, it will bypass the y's, all y, and it will bypass the z. And after all this bypassing, if it gets the b as a tape symbol, means b tape symbol, so what it will say, yes, we have traversed the string and it is acceptable, means 3a, 3b and 3c for n equals to 3. If there is any b or c, it will not bypass that and it will reject. Okay, it will not accept that. So for this we are making the transition diagram. Again starting q0 as the starting state. If it will get x, head is pointing here, I will say go to q1, we are making a as x and move right. What I will say, means for now travel all the a and find the first b. I will make it this transition, travel all the a, keep it as a and move right. If you found the first b, what I will say, make the b as y and move right, q2, go to new step. What I will say, yes, now I have made the b as y, again travel all this b, keep it as b and move right. Now find the c. If you found the c, C as Z and move left. Okay, now see, when it will coming to left, it will get B, Y, A as well as X. So what I will say, when you will come left, if you get B, keep it as B, move left. If you get this Y, keep it as Y, move left. If you get A, keep it as A, move left. Okay, now see, if I get X, then what I have to do, I have to check is the next A is there, means I have to go right, no, because if this is a X, then I have to go here. So what I will do, if you get X, make here the transition. If it is X, keep X, move right. Now see, I am taking an example, I am showing this again. B, A, B, B, C, B. Q0, make A as X, move right. This will bypass, means this will traverse this. And if you get B, make as Y and go to Q2 and travel all the B's. If you get C, make as Z and move left. So when you will move left, you will get B, so I am this traversing B. If you will get Y, so I am saying keep the Y as it is and move left. It will get A, so I am saying keep the A as it is and move left. When it will come here, this is not A, this is a X now. So what I will say, when you get X, keep it X and move right. Now means the head will pointing here. The head will be pointing here. Okay. Now again same. If you get A, make it X, travel the A remaining. If you get B, if you get Y, what I will say? I get Y. Means I have to keep the Y as it is and move right. Okay. Now see, I am getting B. So what I will say, make the Y as B as Y and go further. So it is going further. If you get Z, means the first, here the C has become Z. So what I will say, now for Z also, keep it as Z and move right. If you get C, make it as Z. Now come left again. When you will come left, now see, your head was pointing here. When you will come left, you will get Z also. Okay, but we have not mentioned anything here. So what we will do, we will mention here also Z. Keep it as Z and move left. Okay. Now B, for B, yes, we have kept. For Y, we have kept Y. For A, we have kept A. Now when it will come here, it will again make this transition Q0 and it will, the head will come now here. When it will in Q0, the head will come here. Again the X, the Y, again the Z, same thing. Now see, when it will come traverse, it will come here. Means Q3 will get here, and what it will say, Q3 has received X. So move right and go to Q0. So now the head will come here. Move right. It has come right. So when it has come right, so it is getting Y, not any A. Not any A means our all the A traversing is completed. So what I will say, if you have get Y, when the head is pointing here and it is in Q0 state, what I will say, go to next new state, Q4 state, keep the Y as it is and move right. Okay. Now see, when it will move right, the head will come here. Again it has got Y. What I will say, you go in the same state only, keep Y as and move right. Again it will come here, again Y, so it will in the Q4 only. Now Z has come. What I will say, keep Z as it is and move right. Again this Z head will come here. Again this head will by this here. Again this head will come here. After here, when I will receive B, means I have traversed X. I have traversed here, from here I have traversed, check the all Y's and I have checked all Z. Means there is no extra B or C here. That's why I reached B, this blank symbol. That's why I will say, make a transition B, keep B and stop, and this is your final state. In this way you have to draw this transition diagram. Okay, now see why I have done this, because if I will not do this, I will can't get if there is any extra B or C, something extra. Okay, now see, I am repeating this once again. First I will traverse A, and I go right, I will make B as Y and then C as Z, and I will come left again. This when all the traversing is completed, and when I will at Q0 and the head is pointing on this Y, what it will do, it will come to Q4 state and it will say travel all the Y through this transition. And if after Y traveling, if you get Z, then also do all the transitions here. And after that, when you get B, blanks, this tape symbol, what it is showing, there is no extra B or no extra C. That's why we are giving here this transition, keep B as B and stop. And this is a final state. In this way you have to solve this example. How many states are there? Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Qf. So I will write here Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Qf. Okay, and Q0 is Q0, final state is Qf, and this way you have to draw the transition diagram, and in exam you have to solve an example. Okay, and you have to show. If you get any doubt, feel free to comment down. Thank you.